So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 half horsepower garbage disposal. This is straight out of Ferguson. It's an by in-sync aerator. So it comes with a new line cord. And of course we replaced the flange up top. They're all interchangeable, so you don't have to replace those, but we like to get new putty and new strainer in there. That way we make sure that when we do mount it, we don't get any leaking up here. So you can just spin that bracket off right there and mount it to the old one, but if you get a leak through there and it leaks down and damages the new disposal, you got to replace it. So I typically just replace everything down here. So new flange, new mounting unit, new disposal. The only thing we replaced here is the one portion of the telescoping kit that comes over. This is all Schedule 40 PVC pipe glued in place. So what we did do is go ahead, pull out the old piece that connected this together, put in a partial piece of a telescoping kit. It's a tubular kit that we use for garbage disposal. So new rubber gasket, new flange, new bolts, and then of course new plastic insert, and then a nut right here to tie it all back together. That's the existing dishwasher discharge hose sitting there, so that's tied back in nice. Unit is plugged in, we run water down it and tested it out. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.